Hi, I'm Rohan Poddar and I'm super passionate about helping social entrepreneurs, change makers, and impact organizations tell stories of their social impact. Being a storyteller, I often get asked the following: is storytelling another fancy marketing jargon for brand building? Is not storytelling inherent in marketing messages already? Is storytelling about rephrasing and tweaking our current marketing campaigns? The answer to all of them is no. As a social impact organization, don't you think possessing a brand that stands for a specific social mission and views a compelling yet honest narrative is a big asset? So, how do you build such a brand? By telling real, positive, and meaningful stories of your social impact to your stakeholders and followers who care about you. I believe that coaching startup leaders in institutionalization of storytelling is a first step in this direction. I have designed a concise, crisp, and a participative workshop to introduce social enterprise founders, marketing professionals, and organizational leaders to the perceptive and creative world of storytelling. You will learn basics of storytelling, identifying potential stories from a variety of events occurring in your business, and telling these stories to the right audience. Through this workshop, I'll help you answer the following questions. What business events become stories? Who gets to tell them? Where do they tell them? In what format do they tell them? How should stories be told? What does it cost to tell stories? How to judge the effectiveness of your stories? Organizations in social impact sectors like education, healthcare, water and sanitation, clean energy, livelihood creation, and such will find this workshop particularly useful. For more information, you can visit www.rohanpoddar.com. Bye.